In this video, I'm going to show you the tool with the help of you can turn or convert your one form of the content into the another form. For example, if I have my video, I can turn it into the blog post, social media content, LinkedIn article, or even the email. Same thing I can do with my blog post, LinkedIn article, social media content here. So this is the WordWriter, and with this platform, not only you can use to write the content, you can also use it for the research along with the repurposing. This is the idea behind this tool, and you can even read out AI powered writer, research, and the content repurposing in the one single platform. If I scroll down below, this is going to show you what are the things available in this platform with the features demo. But don't worry, this is the video going to cover all this stuff here. So right now it has the 3-tier plans available, starting from the $69 one-time payment, in which you are going to get the 30,000 words creation per month limit here. If you want higher limit, you have to go with the plan 2 or the plan 3. Now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial of this feature. So this is the dashboard is going to look like, and here we have the content hub where we are going to turn our one form of the content into the multiple form. If you want to do the research, there's the detailed section feature available, there's the content editor, there's the AI template, image upscale, and you can also turn your content into the infographic. So I'm going to show you all these features step by step, starting from the content hub. So this is the content hub, and here we have to first add our media or the content which we want to convert or the repurpose. So I'm going to get started with this insert media option, and here I can add my YouTube video link here. Okay, or I can also add the context or the content of my blog post, social media content, or the LinkedIn article here. I can also use my email copies. So simply let me go to the my YouTube channel here, or I am going to use any of the YouTube video, no matter, I just need the link here. Okay, same thing I can do with my blog post. Okay, I only need the link, so I'm going to use any of the my video here. So let me open up, so let me find out the my channel. Yeah, this is the my channel, so I'm going to use the recent video. Let's get started with this video. Let me copy the link, and now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm pasting it here, and here, like I said, you can add your content, you can also give your command here. Okay, so no worries. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to repurpose from the video. So this can be the my video. Let me find out the video. It is the tutorial video. Yeah, so I am selecting a tutorial, then I want to repurpose it as the blog post. So I will select the blog post, then I can select the tone. So I will go with the informal, and you can see there's also the Google search option, so I will enable this one. So this is basically giving you the control on your content creation or the repurposing from, like, I am getting or converting my video into the blog post, but these are the optionals. You can also give your command like turn my video into blog post. Okay, so simply I have given my prompt here, and my result will be the appear here. So once I got my result, I can also convert that result into these content pieces, whether it's actually the blog post, newsletter, LinkedIn post, blog conclusion, book titles, essay, so many content pieces to convert available here. So first I have to get the data or results here. After that, I'm going to convert here. So I have to wait a little bit till the results are loading, and here are the results. You can look it out. So this is the context of the video I got in the text format here. Now what I need to do, I need to turn it into the blog post. So simply what I will do, I will select the blog post either from here, okay, or I can also search like the post. It is going to show me all the options. So either I can select from here, or I can search and select. Okay, so once I do that, simply click here on the blog post like I have done. Okay, so right now it is failed to transform the response. So again I will click here on the blog post, and it will start processing. So it can take some few seconds to transform or convert the piece we have just got from our video. And yeah, this is done here. Actually click here on the enhance content. Okay, so once you have select the blog post or the LinkedIn post, we have to click here on the enhance content here. Okay, so now it is going to actually working on that content piece to turning our desired content piece here. Okay, so I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. It's a little bit complicated, but once you start playing around with these features, you will get to know how these things work out here. Okay, so let's wait a little bit more and see actually we are getting the blog post or not. You got to see I got the blog post here. So this is the result and this is the content on the text form. So still I need to manually do a lot of the tuning things so I can make it more good in the layout, and I can add the some sub topics or the headings here. Okay, so now what I can do, I can simply click here on add to editor here, or click here on the adding to editor, or what I can do, I can also turn it into the infographics or the PDF or the doc or the image here. There's also these options available. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you one more demo, and this time I'm going to turn it into the LinkedIn post here. So simply click here on the LinkedIn post. Now it will start working. So if we will get to the data on the LinkedIn post here, or turn this content to a LinkedIn post, it is good. But if we cannot see that, what we will do, we will click here on the enhance content. But no worries, because our LinkedIn post is ready. Stop wasting your time repurposing long form videos. Taja AI uses AI to transform your content into the engaging short clips for the video, and here's the hashtag available. So actually this is working pretty good. Now I'm going to turn it into a infographic. So simply click here on the infographics and it will start working. I can also describe my topic or these things. So I can select the format. So right now it's in the square format, and this is the YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Distribution of short form video content across the different social media platforms using the Taja AI. So this is how, based on your content, your infographic will be ready. Now I am selecting the vertical layout. Click here on the generate, and this infographics will be turned into the 9:16 layout here. Okay, let me click here on the again generate. Something went wrong. Okay, I think there's something getting wrong. So I think I need to add the title, convert, create infographic, and see. Yeah, you can see the infographic is ready. This time we got the 9:16 ratio here. Okay, so that's how its content hub used. Okay, so now let me go to the research content. So research content you have to use to add any topic. For example, I want to create or research the topic on the local SEO. Simply add your local SEO. Then after that you have to schedule the time once or everything, and you can also add these things like the topic, categories, everything. And there we have the two options available, deep research or the fast research. So I'm going to go with the fast research, and here I can also add the image URL that can be used in my research content here. Okay, and later I am going to turn this research into the social media content, blog post, basically the same repurposing on the converting that I have showed you into the convert hub. Okay, this content hub, sorry. Now let me click here on the quick research, and now it will start getting with the data. And in the fast research, it is going to scrape the data or analyze the data from the Google search. So let's see what is the research overview we are going to see here. This is the controlling options you can see here to get you the more controlled data information. For example, I can select the topic, I can add the more keywords, backlinks, brand voice, but these are the optional stuff. That why I haven't done anything here. But for more controlling I can also import the data like the YouTube video link or the blog post link here. Okay, so let's wait and see what are the research content we are going to get in the local SEO. Analyzing these only the single term that I have selected, that is the fast research using the Google search. You can see the fast research basically indicates the Google search essentially with the fewer page generated. Okay, and here is our research content. Here we can read out local search engine optimization. SEO focuses on optimizing our business presence to attract more customers. So the research content we got actually pretty good. Now what I can do, I can also see these are the terms for researching as the citizens. It is showing me here. Okay, so now what I can do, I can turn it into the blog post. So simply click here on the blog post. Okay, and now click here on the enhance content, and now this will be the turned into the blog post with the research content we have actually just used with the keyword topic adding here. Okay, so now we have to wait until this content of the research will be the turned into the blog post. Okay, so it's actually done here. Okay, not it's haven't done here. So what I have to do, I have to click here again on the blog post. Okay, and we have to wait. Sometimes we have to do clicking multiple times because it's got failed. Okay, so no worries, if you try 2 or 3 times it's work. The platform is working. Sometimes it's got the failed notifications, right? Okay, so no worries. So you can see my research data now turned into the blog post. You can see the topic headline. This is the subtopics covered in the article here. So now I am going to add it in my editor here. So simply click here on the add to editor. So it will be the edit here. Now we are going to get into the content editor, and you can see the content editor with the data we have just added. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to analyze the score so I can start writing the content here. So what I can do, I can just click here, and here I have to add the my prime focus keyword. So for me this will be the local SEO, and after that click here on the analyze, and now I got to see the metrics like the word limit, like the characters count, and the average per sentence here. Okay, so I can also add the title or the meta title here and the keyword density. So now I will start writing or laying out my this article here on this its content editor. Okay, so this is the same like the WordPress editor or the any other doc editor we use here. Okay, so once suppose this article is done, I can directly or instantly publish to my WordPress using the integration of this WordPress here. Simply I have to add the enter your post title and save and publish, and it will be the published to my WordPress site. But before to publishing, I have to connect to my WordPress. So there's the dedicated feature available. Simply I have to connect using the site URL, username and application password, and click on the save, and now it is connected. So whenever I want to directly publish on my WordPress site straight out of the WordWriter, I can do it. Okay, now this is the AI template. So basically these are the AI assistants you can use for the specific words, like the you have the work of the blog post, data copywriting, we have the blogs, intros, topics, all this stuff. So this is the dedicated feature section available. Then we have the images. If you want to upscale your image, there's the option or feature available. Then we have the data and infographics. So all the infographics we have just generated in the content hub is going to appear here. Okay, so and there's also the video gen available, but this feature for the video generation is not in the working mode. We have to wait because it's in the beta or upcoming. Okay, then we have the folder. Basically it is going to show you all of the content that we have just convert or the repurpose in the folder section. So this is all the features I have showed you of the WordWriter, and my favorite one is this one, that is the content hub, because I can use to turn it my previous or the old content into the multiple kind of the other form of the content. Whether I want to turn my blog post or video into the social media content or the LinkedIn article, I can do it here. Then we have the research agent. This research agent out of your topic keyword is going to give you all the information by scraping the Google pages, and then later you can turn your research content into the multiple kind of the other content pieces and repurpose for the multiple kind of the stuff. So if you want to check it out, the WordWriter right now starting from the $69 is individual single plan is enough for you, because you are getting the 30,000 per words per month here, and all the features I have showed you right now you can access even starting from the tier 1 plan. But if you want the more words limit, I suggest go with the plan 2 on the or the plan 3. And there's also the 60 days money back guarantee if somehow you are not happy with the platform. So this makes the this deal of the lifetime risk free here. So if you want to check it out, the WordWriter, the link will be going in the description. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about in this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.